Hey Piglet, you ready to get up? Huh? You haven't eaten since this morning. It's almost noon now. You ready? We went to the movie store and to the doctor and all kinds of stuff. You slept through it all. You dreaming of eating? Huh? I think it's the longest you've ever gone without eating before. You like your fuzzy little puppy? Huh? Come on. Let's wake up. You want to sleep tonight, right? Huh? Hey Piglet. Hey Piglet. Ryan. Oh, did it turn into a bad dream? Come on. Wake up. Look at the lips. Oh. Come on, let's get up. Wake up. Getting closer. Closer. Those pretty eyelashes. Oh, there we go. That's scary looking. Alright. Talking to you ain't gonna do it, huh? Let's go change your diaper. That'll do it. Alright. We're gonna go now. She lost chance to wake up and say hi to everybody. Oh, you're so cute. Scary looking. There you go. Alright, that's a start. One eye. Gotta start over. Alright, let's do it.